Hello? Hi there. Can you hear me? Good. Welcome. Welcome to my world. This is my very first video diary. I am a little bit nervous. My hands are shaking a little, but I am also very excited. Why am I excited? Because of you. Yes, you, the person listening right now. You are my new friend. Today, I want to introduce myself. I want to tell you who I am. We are going to start this friendship together. So, who am I? My name is Emma. E-M-M-A. Emma. It is a simple name, right? Do you like it? I am 26 years old. I am a woman. I am an American. Where do I live? I live in the United States of America. I live in a city. It is a medium-sized city. It is not too big like New York, but it is not too small like a village. It's in the middle. I live in an apartment. My apartment is on the 3rd floor. Right now, I am sitting in my living room. I want you to imagine my room. Close your eyes for a second if you want. My room is very quiet today. It is bright. The sun is coming through the window. The sunlight is warm on my face. It feels nice. My apartment is cozy. Cozy means small, comfortable, and warm. I like simple colors. The walls are white. My sofa is beige. My favorite blanket is green. Let's talk about things I love. What makes Emma happy? Number 1, I love coffee. Right now, I have a cup of coffee in my hand. Look at my mug. It is a big ceramic mug. It is cream-colored. The coffee is hot. I can see the steam rising. It smells delicious. Do you like coffee? Or do you prefer tea? Number 2, I like plants. My apartment is full of green plants. I have a big plant near the window. Its leaves are big and green. Plants make the air fresh. They make me feel calm. Number 3, I love books. I have a small bookshelf behind my sofa. It is full of old books. I like reading on rainy days. Oh, did you hear that? That is the most important thing in my life. Come here, Oliver. Come say hello to my new friends. This is my cat. His name is Oliver. Oliver is orange. He has big green eyes. He is very soft. He is sitting on my lap right now. He is purring because he is happy. I love him very much. He is my best friend here in the apartment. What about things I do not like? Well, I am a positive person, so I like many things. But I do not like cold weather. Brr, winter is difficult for me. And I do not like waking up very early in the morning. I like sleeping in my warm bed. So, that's a little bit about me. I am Emma. I am 26. I live in America. I like coffee, plants, and my orange cat, Oliver. My life is not crazy. It is a simple life. It is a slow life, and I want to share it with you. Why am I doing this channel? Because learning English is hard. I know. It can be scary. But it doesn't have to be stressful. I want this place, my diary, to be a calm place for you, a safe place. Here you can relax. You can listen to my voice. You can look at pretty things. And you can learn English slowly with me. No pressure, no tests, just friends talking. Now it's your turn. This is a conversation, not just me talking. I really want to meet you. Who are you? What is your name? Where are you from? What do you like? Please tell me in the comments below this video. You can write simple sentences like this. Hi, Emma. My name is your name. I am from your country. I like pizza, cats, or music. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay here, I promise. I will read your comments. I want to say hello to you too. Thank you for listening to my first diary entry. Thank you for being here today. I am so happy to meet you. Welcome to our community. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.